Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You know, that is relatively easy compared to what we just did over the last week.
Whoa.
In the Middle East. Middle East was 3,000 years. And I think we'll get it done. I think that President Putin, I think he wants to get it done. We'll see. There's a great animosity between him and Zelensky.
You almost hit me.
Huh?
You almost hit me. You freaked me out. I saw you come flying up.
I didn't almost hit you.
It was close.
Learn how to
I wasn't
asshole.
complaining. I was just watching you.
Let's just leave that for aside for a second.
Yeah.
We've already spoken to people that have been on the negative side of this, and it is. I don't think it's a good thing.
Well, let's talk about some of the ideas that are floating around. First off, 30 minutes of tears. The other one's salty.
One way I want to correct this man. It's a one way. It's a one way.
Put your blinker on.
Dude, let me in.
Babe, use your damn blinker. You're gonna have to go up. Just go up. Or get off the freeway is better yet.
Dude.
Just get off the freeway, babe. Get off. Stop! Babe, stop! Babe, stop!
Explain exactly why we're here. Hope that helps.
This is the verse in the Bible that convinced me to buy Bitcoin.
What the This guy's got a smokescreen! Holy shit! What the was that?
How did you get...
Parking mode off.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.